Sure. So today's concept is nothing but beta concept of your same potential. So in this one, we are going to try to talk about the problems in which the wires are being connected on same points and how to identify whether they are in the series or parallel. So the points connected by a wire are at the same potential or same points. Same points. Make a diagram by placing the same points at one place and then identify the resistance in series and parallel beta. So it will be easy for you to do the problems. Okay. So what you do is make a new diagram by placing same points at one place. At your one place, and then identify the resistance in series or your parallel. Okay, so to solve the problems, first name all the joints, and then proceed. Okay. So what is the same potential concept, beta? Am I audible to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Hello. So what do you mean by same potential, beta? The points which are connected by a wire. The points which are connected by a wire are at the same potential or at the same points. Make a new diagram by placing the same points at one place and then identify the resistance in series or parallel to solve the problems. First, name all the joints and then try to proceed it in the given condition. Is it clear? I'll give you an example, Jordan. Somewhere this resistance has been here. This is the center, and here there is one resistance. Here there is one resistance, and here there is one resistance. And here there is one resistance, and this is connected to the point A. Then resistance R, then resistance R, then resistance R. This is at the center O. Okay. Now see here, identify the points which are connected. So what are the condition will? The points connected by a wire. So this point is connected by the wire, this point is connected by the wire, and these points are connected by the wire. Will be at the same potentials. Is that point clear for everyone? Okay, so I'm giving the naming for this one. So this one is B, this one is C, and this one is your D. Is it clear, beta? Is it clear? So B,
Yes,
C, D are at the same potential. Can I say that one? B, comma C, and D are at same potential. Or at your same potential, and therefore place them at one point. Okay, and therefore place them at one point. Okay, so I'll try to keep all B, C, and D at one single point, beta. So what I can do, I can take one single point here. So this is a point of B, this is C, and this is D. So E points here all the way, I'm connecting all of them. This is one resistance here, this is one, and this is one, like this. Clear? This is your R, this is your R, and this is your R. This is your point O. Okay, into this one, there is one resistance here. This is your point E. This is your R. Got it? This three are in which combination? Parallel combination. So R equivalent ente cheppandi sorry. R equivalent will be equal to this three are in series parallel combination, so it is R by 3 and it is in series with your R. So R plus R by 3. How much it will be better? 4R by 3. Clear? Machinda? Is it clear?
yes, sir.
Sure. ఈ 20 ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ చేశారా ఏమన్నా? Yesterday నేను ప్రాబ్లమ్ చేయించుంటే కదా. Did I send you the yesterday's notes beta?
Yes, sir.
పంపించానా?
Yes, sir.
ఏదో అదే రెస్టాస్ ప్రాబ్లమ్స్. నిమిషం.
Yes, sir.
Yesterday we did up to the question number 19 kada. Chalo, question number 20 chudandi. Find the equivalent resistance between A and B. Find the equivalent resistance between the point A and as well as of your B. First give the namings for this one beta. Okay, this is your A. Then this wire is connected right now, this total A ankundam. This wire I'm giving a name, say for example X. This wire I'm giving a name, say for example Y. And this wire is as usually B. And this wire is as usually your A. Okay, now? Is it clear? See, A and Y are connected by single wire beta. X and B are connected by one single wire. Isn't it? Question number 20, A.
Sir, your video is off, sir.
Okay. Kanipisunda?
Yes, sir.
Chalo. Question number 20 chudandi. Find the equivalent resistance between A and B. Now identify the points which are connected by the wire at the same position. See, this total wire is connected by the one single connection from A. This is one complete wire. So I'm giving the naming for that one, A and Y. And this wire is connected by your one single wire right now, X and B. So give the naming for this one beta for the first condition right now. So what are the values of that one? X and as well as of your Y part of relation. So this is the point of your A. I'm taking a diagram. This is a point A comma Y. A comma Y. So between A and Y, how many resistance are there beta? And the last points are right now B, and another one is nothing but equal to your X. Okay. Between A and X, there is one resistance beta. Between A and X, there is one resistance. So between A and X, there is one resistance. Then between A and B, is there any resistance beta? A and B madhyalo ledu. X and Y madhyalo oka resistance unda? Okay, X and Y madhyalo oka resistance undi like this. Anything else right now? X and Y is there. A and X, there is one resistance. Y and B also there is one resistance. So Y and B until like this. Everything is how much beta? This one is 8R. This one is your 12R and this one is your 24R. Done? Is it clear beta?
Yes, sir.
So all this will be in which combination beta? Parallel combination. So R effective will be equal to how much for me? Can you tell me? 1 by your R equivalent will be equal to 1 by 8R plus 1 by 12R plus 1 by 24R. Okay. So take the LCM for this one. So this will be equal to your divided by 24 into your R. This will be 3 plus 2 plus 1. So this will be how much I'm getting? R equivalent will be equal to your 4R. Achinda? Is it clear?
Sir, wires have no resistance, no, sir.
Huh?
The wires consist no resistance, no, sir. They are empty, no, sir.
Yeah,
Then why
that's the
should
reason A and Y ని మొత్తం మార్చబెట్టి ఇక్కడ పెట్టుకున్నాను నేను దాన్ని. ఈ literally between A and Y there is a wire కదా, ఆ వైర్ మొత్తాన్ని ఒక పాయింట్ చేసుకున్నాను నేను. X and B everything I have taken one point here. Okay. What did I told you in the concept? The resistance which are been connected by the same wire should be connected to one single point. So A, this is your A, this is everywhere your A, this is everywhere your A, this is everywhere A. A and Y will be at same potential, isn't it? A and Y will be at the same potential because they are connected by the same wire. The same way X and B will be at the same potential. Clear? A comma Y are at same potential. Got it? Got it, beta?
sir?
And B and X are also at the same potential. So I'm drawing the knee diagram, again keeping the same points at one point. E problem student, you will get a clarity still. So this is a point of your A. Now give the points which are connected by the wire. So if this is a point B, this wire, this point, this resistance also connected by same wire. This is also connected by same wire. This is also same connected by same wire, because this is a point here right now. Anywhere you take, the point is right now B only, because this is completely a wire only, na? Is it clear? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
So now what I can do, I can take this point A here, and somewhere here, this is a point B. Between A and B, there is one resistance. A and B, there is one resistance. There is one resistance. Between A and B, there is one more resistance. Yeah, there is one more resistance. This is also 4R. This is also 4R. Between A and B, there is one resistance. Yeah, there is one resistance. This is 4R. And again, A and B, there is one resistance here right now. So this is also one resistance. This is nothing but 4R. And all of them are in which combination now? Parallel. The effective resistance of your AB will be equal to how much beta? 4R divided by 1, 2, 3, 4. Divided by 4, 4 gets cancelled. Effective resistance between A and B will be equal to R. Achinda? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Zangala. Kada? The points which are connected by the wire, you take them as of one single potential beta. So annitni, you try to join to the same point right now. This one you try to do C, A, O, and this is a total wire beta outer point, isn't it? So this is B, this one is also B, that is B, this is also B, this is also B, this is also B, this is also B, this point is also B, and this point is also B. Anywhere I can take this B's like this. Clear? Is it clear? Okay, now?
Yes, sir.
This is the point A, I'm taking as it is. And there is one resistance here, and this is your point O. O and B are connected to how many resistors beta? There is one resistance between O and B like this, one resistance like this, one resistance like this. So I'm taking here right now a point B. Clear? Between O and B, there is one resistance. Between O and B, there is one resistance. So I'm taking one resistance. Between O and B, there is one more resistance. Between O and B, there is one more resistance. Got it? Got it? So this one is how much for me? 8R. This one is nothing but 12R. This is your 24R. Between A and O, this one is nothing but R. Got it, beta? So this 3 will be in which combination?
Parallel.
So this will be equal to your one resistance R, and this is a point O, this is your point A. So this is how much you are getting, better tell me. 1 by 8R plus 1 by 12 plus 1 by 24. The equation 1 by 8, 1 by 12, 1 by 24.
4R, sir.
4R. So I can take here this one is equals to your point B. This is 4R. These two are in which combination now? Four R and RR in which combination? Series combination. So this will be R plus 4R. So that will be equal to how much for me? 5R. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Sure. Point number D. This is your A. So this is a point A. Now see this one carefully better. This is your point A. So this is also your A. This is also your A because they're connected by the wire. So everywhere on this one, this will be your A only. Do you agree? Is it clear? If this is a point B, this one is also B. 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 And everywhere this will be the B. Got it? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Now see, whenever there is a hook like this above, that means without touching the wire, it is going from the above. Is it clear? Okay. So now I'm taking one point here right now. This is question number D. So this is your point A. And final, there is your point B. Okay. So now see how I'm drawing this one. Be a little bit carefully right now for this one. So between A and B, how many resistance are there, beta? Above there is one resistance, beta. So I'm taking this one as it is here. and below also there is one more resistance here, like this. How much is that one? 60 ohms. This is your 60 ohms. Okay. Now see this one, beta. This one and this one, are they connected to the point A only, na beta? Isn't it? So
Yes.
when I speak right now like this, and this one are also connected to the point B, somewhat like this, one single point. Okay. That means 10 and 20. So I can draw something like this. There is one resistance like this. There is one resistance. This is 10 ohms. And this one is your 20 ohms. Are connected to B like this. Any problem? Lower point. This is one resistance and this is one resistance. This is 10 ohms and this is 20 ohms. Connected clear? See, this one and this one are connected one single wire kabatti. దీన్ని ఇక్కడ కట్ చేసి దీన్ని ఇక్కడ కట్ చేసి దీనికి వచ్చి ఇక్కడ పెట్టుకుంటాను నేను ఇక్కడ. ఏమి కాదు కదా? Because everything is from here to here, it is your A only. So if I connect this connection here or here or here or here, anywhere, it doesn't make any difference right now for me. Is the diagram clear? Is the diagram clear?
Yes, sir.
These two are in which combination? 10 and 20. And this 20 and 10 are in which combination? 10 and 20 are in which combination? But above one.
Series.
Series. Below one. Series. So can I take this one like this as it is? This is your point B. This is your point A. So there is one resistance like now. This is one resistance. And this is one resistance. This is how much better? 10 plus 20. That will be equal to 30 ohms. 20 plus 30. This will be your 30 ohms. This is your 60. This one is your 60. Clear? Now all of them are in which combination? If I connect this one to some battery here, positive and your negative, there is a flow of a current. The moment it comes here, it is getting division beta. So the moment the current is dividing, so what combination it will become? Parallel. So all of them are in the parallel combination. So equivalent resistance will become how much beta? 1 by R equivalent is equals to, this will be 1 by 60 plus 1 by 30 plus 1 by 30 plus 1 by 60. That means the LCM of this one comes out to be how much? 60. This will be 1 plus 2 plus 2 plus 1. So how much beta? 4, 5, 6, 6 by 60. That means it will be equal to 10 ohms. So 1 by R equivalent will be equal to how much beta? R equivalent will be equal to your 10 ohms. And the other is will become how much? 6 by 60 means this one is nothing but of your 6 by 60. That is nothing but 1 by 10. So R equivalent, 1 by R equivalent is 1 by 10. So R equivalent is 10 ohms. Clear? Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Next one, try to sorry. Number E, same potential span. Now this wire and this wire are again connected to the A only kabata. So this question and A gotta connect cheskochu. This point and this point is are again connected to the B only. So I can connect it to the point B. Now see here they are intersecting. That means we need to take a joint here right now. Same like previous one. Can you try it beta? First what I'll do, I'll take the first resistance as it is basically for that one. That is nothing but of your point of your A. So for point of your A, if I'm taking like this. So the resistance above and there is one resistance below. Antena? And this is your terminal of your B. Okay, so I'm connecting this point to somewhere here better. This is one resistance, this is one resistance. Here there is your 2 ohms and there is your 2 ohms. These two are connected. So I'm taking this point as of your connection right now. So there is one resistance here and there is one resistance here. Again, these two are connected to this point one. So this one is how much? 2. And this one will be your 8. This one will be 6. And this one will be 4. Which in andarki? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Now tell me. 2 and this one. 2 and 8 are in which combination?
Parallel.
This one is also in parallel. This one is also in parallel and this one is also in parallel. above resistance is 3 ohms and this one is nothing but of your 6 ohms. So you simplify this one, this will be 2 into your 8 divided by 2 plus 8. This one is 6 into 4 divided by 6 plus 4. 2 into 8 divided by 2 plus 8 ఎంత వచ్చింది? 16 by 10 అంటే 1.6. 24 divided by 10, that means this is 2.4. Antena? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now see, above resistance as it is, below resistance is as it is. This is your terminal B, this is your terminal A, this is your 3 ohms, and here it is 6 ohms. ఇది మొత్తం ఇప్పుడు ఎంత వచ్చింది right now for me beta? If I am taking this combination, this total how much I got right now? 1.6 ohms. This is your joint, and here this one is connected. This one is how much for me? 2.4 ohms. Now these two are in which combination beta? 1.6 and 2.4 are in which combination?
Series.
Series. So this will become for me above resistance as it is. There is an below resistance as it is, and the below resistance as it is. This is your terminal B, and this is your terminal A. This one is your 3 ohms. So 2.4 plus 1.6 is how much? 2.4 plus 1.6 is how much?
4.
4 ohms. And down is your 6 ohms. Now total combination is which combination beta? This is the combination.
Parallel.
Parallel. So 1 by R effective will be equal to how much for me? 1 by R effective will be equal to your 1 by 3 plus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 6. So LCM of this one is how much for me beta? 12. So it is 4 plus 3 plus 2. So how much it is? 4 plus 9, 9 by 12. 1 by R equivalent. So R equivalent will become how much for me beta? 12 by 9 ohms. Achinda?
Yes, sir.
నిద్ర వస్తుంది, సబ్జెక్ట్ వచ్చిందో లేదో నాకైతే తెలియదు కానీ కదరా.
No, sir.
సో సేమ్ పొటెన్షియల్ అర్థమైందా? కొంచెం ప్రాక్టీస్ చేయండి అన్న 5-6 ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ తీసుకొని. ఓకేనా? నెక్స్ట్ వన్ ఆల్సో యూ కెన్ ట్రై టు డూ బెటర్. క్వశ్చన్ నెంబర్ 21 లో ABCD ఉన్నాయి కదా, అవి ఒకసారి మీరు ట్రై చేయండి, చూడండి వెదర్ యూ కెన్ గెట్ ఇట్ ఆర్ నాట్. చలో లెట్ us try to go for the next one. Question number 21 la number A. చూద్దాం. See, I need the effective distance between A and as well as of your B. So what I'll do first, I'll give the namings for the circuits. So this is your A కాబట్టి ఈ వైర్ కూడా A తో కనెక్ట్ అయి ఉంది అవునా కదా. సో ఇక్కడ వరకు, ఇక్కడ నుంచి ఇక్కడ వరకు ఒకటే వైర్, isn't it? Then from here to here this is also same wire. So this is also your A. If this is your point A, I don't know what is the naming for this one. I'm giving some X. So this will also become for me X. I don't know the naming for this one. If this is your B, this one is also your B. If this is your B, this one is also your B. Any doubt? Clear? Is that clear? How many points are there, beta? A ఒక పాయింట్, B ఒక పాయింట్, X ఒక పాయింట్, అంతేనా? చెప్పరేంట్రా? క్లియరా? A and X మధ్యలో ఒక రెసిస్టెన్స్ ఉంది, అండ్ X and B and X and A మధ్యలో ఒక రెసిస్టెన్స్ ఉన్నాయి. సో ఈ ఏ పాయింట్ ఒకటి చేసుకోవచ్చా నేను? దిస్ ఏ పాయింట్ ఆల్సో ఐ కెన్ టేక్ వన్. Between A and B there is one more resistance right now, isn't it? So can I take the points right now something like this? So I need to take the effective resistance kabatti first we'll take A and madhyala ikkada vachesi final ga B. A and B madhyala మన దగ్గర ఏం పాయింట్ ఉంది? There is one X. Now tell me, Between A and X, is there any resistance you see? Between A and X, there is one resistance. That is nothing but how much for me? 6 ohms. Okay, chal. Between A and X, there is one resistance. That is nothing but of your 6 ohms. ఇంకా A and X మధ్యలో ఇంకేమైనా రెసిస్టెన్స్ ఉన్నాయి చూడండి. A and X. X and A మధ్యలో ఉంది కదా చూడండి ఇక్కడ X and A మధ్యలో 12 ohms ఉంది. అంటే A and X మధ్యలో ఇంకో రెసిస్టెన్స్ ఉంది. A and X మధ్యలో there is one more resistance, that is nothing but equal to 12 ohms. Okay na? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So ఈ point ని I'll attach like this. This is connected to your X. Then one more to this positions. Clear? And this is your point X. X and B మధ్యలో ఏమైనా రెసిస్టెన్స్ ఉందో చూడండి ఒకసారి. X and B there is 6 ohms. Okay. X and B there is 6 ohms. This is connected to this one. Again X and B మధ్యలో ఇంకేమైనా రెసిస్టెన్స్ ఉందో చూడండి. X and B there is one more resistance, that is 12 ohm మధ్యలో. So there is one more resistance here. So this will be equal to 12 ohms. దాని తర్వాత A and B మధ్యలో కూడా ఒక రెసిస్టెన్స్ ఉంది. So I'll take this point A out and I'll keep one resistance here, and to this one A and B there is one more resistance. Okay, now between A and B what is the resistance for me here? 8 ohms. వచ్చింది అందరికి డయాగ్రామ్ డ్రా చేసుకోవడం. సేమ్ పాయింట్స్ పెట్టుకొని ఆ పాయింట్స్ మధ్యలో ఏమైనా రెసిస్టెన్స్ ఉంటే అండ్ రెసిస్టెన్స్ కనెక్ట్ చేసుకుంటూ పోవడమే, అంతే, ఇంకేం లేదు. సో బిట్వీన్ 6 and 12 విచ్ కాంబినేషన్ బేటా? parallel, one above the other. So it is 6 into 12 divided by 6 plus 12. ఎంత వస్తుంది? 4 ohms. ఇది కూడా ఎంత వస్తుంది? 6 into 12 divided by 6 plus 12. This is also 4 ohms. Clear?
Yes, sir.
This is one resistance here. This is one resistance. This is your B. This is your X. This is your A. And down between A and B, there is one resistance like this. This is how much for me? 8 ohms. This one is 4. This one is 4. Now tell me, these two are in which combination beta? This one and this one are in which combination?
Series.
So 4 plus 4 is how much? 8. Down is also your 8. This is your terminal B and this is your terminal A. Recording కూడా ఉందన్నా, అర్థం కాకపోతే మరోసారి చూసేసుకోండి అని నేను అప్లోడ్ చేసేస్తున్నాను. ఓకేనా? These two are in which combination?
Parallel.
So parallel అంటే effective ఎంత అవుతుంది? Effective between A and B will be equal to your 8 into 8 divided by 8 plus 8. అంతేనా? Or else you can directly take the formula కదా, మనకు తెలుసు కదా. సిమిలర్ కనుక ఉంటే you can directly take R by N. అవునా కదా? So that is nothing but how much for me? 8 by 2. That will be equal to 4 ohms.
4.
Clear?
Yes, sir.
అదే విధంగా BCD మీరు చేసుకోండి, ఇంకా నేను చెప్పాను. ఇంకా BCD EFG ఇన్ని ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ ఉన్నాయి బేస్డ్ అపాన్ ద కాన్సెప్ట్ విచ్ ఐ టోల్డ్ యూ టుడే. పర్ఫెక్ట్ అవ్వండి, దాని తర్వాత విల్ ట్రై టు గో ఫర్ ద నెక్స్ట్ కాన్సెప్ట్. డోంట్ డూ ద క్వశ్చన్ నెంబర్ 21 అయిపోయిందా, 22 వరకు 22 చేయకండి, D వరకు ప్రాక్టీస్ చేయండి. BCD ఈ 3 ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ ఒకటి ప్రాక్టీస్ చేయండి. ఓకేనా? చేస్తారా?
Yes, sir.
ఇది చెప్పండి సార్. D ఒక ట్రై చేయండి నా ముందర. ఇది A and B కదా, ఇది ఏమవుతుంది? ఇది
A.
ఇది కూడా A కదా, ఇది కూడా A, ఇది కూడా A. This is B, this one is also B, this one is also B, and this one is also your B. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now I don't know some naming I'm giving here right now. So if this is your X, if this is your X, this is also your X. Okay na? Clear?
Yes.
Now between A and B, so I can draw here right now. This is one point here A. This is your another point B. Okay. So A and B మధ్యలో ఎన్ని రెసిస్టెన్స్ ఉన్నాయి నాన్న? 1 2 3 4 5. అంతేనా? చూడండి, this is also 12 ohms. This one A and B మధ్యలో how many ఉన్నాయి? 1 2 3 1 2 3 4 ఉన్నాయి. అంటే ఎంత? 12 divided by 4 ఎంత?
3 ohms.
By 4. అంటే this is 3 ohms. Can I write this one directly? Can I write like that?
Yes, sir.
If this is x means this is also x kada. So between A and somewhere in between your A, B, there is some point that is nothing but of your x. This x is control. A and x madhyalo em resistance on this is also A. A and x there is one resistance. How much it is? 6.
3 ohm.
And there is also 3 ohms. Okay. And here there is one between your A and B. A and B there is one resistance inside, that is 24. And there is one more resistance here, that is also 12.
12.
And there is one more resistance here, that is how much for me? 8. Okay. These are in which combination? These are in which combination?
Parallel.
These are in parallel. Ante untadi 6 into 3 or 6, 3 kada, sorry.
3, sir.
This one is 3. This one is 3. So it is 3 into 6 divided by 3 plus 6. Anta
2, sir.
2 ohms. అర్థమైందా? దాని తర్వాత 24 into 12 into 8. These are in parallel combination. ఇదంతా అవుతుంది చూడండి సార్. So it is 1 by 24 plus 1 by 12 plus 1 by 8.
4, sir.
So this will be equal to 4 ohm. వచ్చిందా అందరికి?
Yes, sir.
ఈ పైన రెండు ఈ కాంబినేషన్ అవుతుంది అప్పుడు. So I'm drawing the diagram finally here. So this is your A and B. A and B మధ్యలో 3. ఇక్కడ ఒక రెసిస్టెన్స్ ఉంది, ఇక్కడ రెసిస్టెన్స్ ఉంది. This is how much for me? 2 ohms. This is how much here for me? 4 ohms. Isn't it? And this is a point of your X. This 2 and 4 are in which combination?
Series.
Series. So this is the point of your A. This is your point of your B. And this will be 4 plus 2. Enta?
6.
6 ohms. 6 and 3 are in which combination?
Parallel.
Parallel.
6 into 3 divided by 6 plus 3. Enta? 2 ohms. వచ్చిందా? ఏం చెప్తున్నా సార్కి అర్థం కావడం లేదన్నటువంటి పరిస్థితి. అంతే కదరా? అర్థమైందా?
Yes, sir.
ఏం చేశారా మళ్ళా? ఇంకా రెండే మిగిలినాయి. ఆ రెండైనా చేసుకుంటారా లేదా?
Will do, sir.
మీరు చేయండి, ఇంకా నేను చేయడం లేదు. నేను ఇచ్చిన క్వశ్చన్స్ మీరు ఎంతమంది చేశారో నాకైతే తెలియదు. అడుగుతుంటే ఎవరు జవాబే ఇవ్వడం లేదు నాకైతే. ఈ 29 ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ ఉన్నాయి, దీంట్లో చేయమని చెప్పాను, ఒక్కరు రెస్పాన్స్ లేదు. అందరు బిజీ అయిపోయినారు. మన హైదరాబాద్ డిస్ట్రిక్ట్ కలెక్టర్ కూడా అంత బిజీగా ఉన్నాడో లేదు నాకైతే తెలియదు, కానీ మీరు అంత బిజీగా ఉన్నారు. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, chalo beta. Take care. Bye.